Good day, good day. It's your boy, better yet your man Markel Primes, MrRVADelivered.com. No suit, no tie, no college degree, but we still out here making money from home. And I'm back at it again with another traffic ad bar affiliate marketing website breakdown hack, whatever we want to call it, right? So on this video right here, I'm gonna take it a little extra step farther. I found this one website right here. I haven't clicked on the link or anything, but what we're actually going to do, we're going to take one step deeper. We're actually going to click the link on the website to see the next page that it takes us to. Now, this particular ad right here, this particular landing page, I'm not saying that it's a great page, and that's the reason why we're going to click on it. What I want to do is actually see what's behind the landing page of some landing pages that might not seem to be that great. There might actually be hidden treasures or things that we can actually use and to our benefit in our affiliate marketing business behind some ugly or unattractive web page lead generation capturing pages, or whatever you want to call them. Now, I say that because this one right here, it doesn't actually have a lead form on it that you can fill out right away. Now, like I said, I didn't click on anything on this page yet. I just wanted to record this video as I go through it. So as a beginner in affiliate marketing, what we're doing once again is on this website right here, Traffic Ad Bar, we're using the content on here to see what other affiliate marketers are doing, what kind of lead capture pages are being created. Some of these pages may be making these affiliates hundreds or even thousands of dollars. So if that's the case, we want to know which ones they are, and if we can actually replicate those pages and, create some of those, results for ourselves. If those are big players and they are making a lot of money with the particular web pages that they're on, that they've created. So this one right here, let's start from the top. And like I said, this right here, it doesn't mean that this is any kind of great type of landing page or anything, but it kind of grabs at you right away and tells you what to expect. So it says earn $1 per verified member every month. So simple enough. You get one verified person every month. You get $1 per verified person. Then it says get instant access. So this is going to be the button that we're going to press, and we're going to see what's behind this web page. But let's just see what else is on this lead page here to see if it would give us any type of indication of what we're going to be looking forward to actually doing, or if it really entices the average person to really click. And you guys could comment in the comment section below, like, would this be a website that you would actually click on the link? And I want you to think about that from the standpoint of it just looking at this home page, this landing page, and then we're gonna reassess that once when we click the link. Okay, you guys, so it says check your earnings based on the number of verified members you can get. So 10 verified member equals $10 per month, or $120 per year. All right, so then they got the example for 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So 100,000 verified members equals $100,000 per month, and that's $1.2 million per year. Now, that number right there sounds absolutely crazy. Is there anybody that's actually doing that in this business? I'm not sure. I don't want to doubt it, but it's a possibility. Those are the numbers, and a lot of times we get caught up with the thought of, is it possible? Whereas we should be thinking about, does the numbers make sense? And if the numbers make sense, if this is actual fact, if they'll pay me $1 per person and that's the fact of the matter, then the rest is up to me. The rest is based off of my ability. Am I able to get 100,000 people to become verified members in order to generate that $1.2 million per year? That's all on me or us as the affiliate at that point. So let's see what else it has to say on this site. And that's pretty much it. So that's the end of the page, which is a very short landing page. but it caps off with this message here. Since I've used Pick and Profit for almost 3 years now, and the site is completely automated, I did nothing except collect emails, and within a few days I started getting payments. It's so easy to use Pick and Profit, and the site's interface is very intuitive. It's the easiest site I've seen to earn online. All right, and that gives you an idea of if there's actual people that's been using this product or service, and if they've actually been successful. So that's good to have a testimonial on the page. And now, since that's the end of the page, basically, we're going to get to it. We're going to click the Get Instant Access, and let's see where it takes us. All right, so this is kind of what I assumed already, that it would be a pop-up with a lead form so that they can capture your information, so that they can send you follow-up emails depending on what it is that they have to offer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my email, and I probably don't even have to enter my name. So I'm gonna just click it without my name to see, just for example, if this right here is listed as a required field. Because when you create websites and lead capture pages in these forms, you can actually make whatever the additional information besides the email, you can make that required or not required. So let's see what it does. All right, so they made the name field required, so that's a good thing. And this helps when it comes to basically building rapport with your customer, with your potential customer. Because if you're sending out emails to somebody, one of the best ways to build rapport with somebody is to be able to address them by their name, by whatever they choose to be called. That makes them more of a friend, and a more personal relationship, a more personal touch, instead of you just sending an email to a person and just saying, hey, you, or no introduction at all, not addressing them at all. All right, so the landing page itself has popped up, and it's another page in the form asking for a username to create an email, your email, last name, password. So with that right there, this is a prime example of how you can easily identify if something is an affiliate page, really. So this is a great example of identifying an affiliate page, or a person that's an affiliate of a company that's promoting a particular product. If we had to enter our email address here, then you might be asking the question as to why would you be entering it here? And the reason may be because you're going to be added to 2 different possible email lists. So the person that has created this original page, they probably have their own email sequence that they're going to send you to get you to convert and purchase whatever the product or service that's being promoted on this page. And then this company in itself probably going to send you additional emails sharing the information that they have on their particular product or service. Now, I'm not going to fill out the form itself, but based off what we've seen so far, would you actually fill out the form and continue on? Was the lead capture page attractive enough to even give you their email and your first name? Now that we've gotten to the main page here, do you think it was really worth it so far for me to have entered my email and my name? And should we go any further? Should we look at what other information that they have? Obviously, it looks like it's about earning crypto. So it has something to do with crypto. It has something to do with stock investing, advertising, web design, Write For You blog, get a free website. It looks like there's a lot of different things going on here. And as a beginner affiliate marketer, if this was something that you were going to be using to kind of make money with as a beginner, you may or may not be interested in it. It may be a lot of things that's going on here that you don't really have the interest in, and it may be things here that you really are interested in and that you really want to learn about, and this may be an awesome opportunity whatever it may actually be offering, because so far still we don't know exactly what it is that we would be doing with this business. So with that, hopefully this right here has been helpful. This has been another traffic ad bar, affiliate marketing, website breakdown, whatever we want to call it. And this has been your boy, better yet your man, Markel Prines, MrRVADelivered.com, the entrepreneur that all the gurus will soon learn to hate. No suit, no tie, no college degree, but we still make money from home, and you can also. Have a great rest of your day. Are you serious about affiliate marketing and want a training system that's built for longevity? If that person is you, I want you to click the link that's going to be in the description, and you can actually see it at the top here, rvadelivered.com/pick your course. At the top, it's speaking directly to you. If you're a hustler looking for a secret success system using affiliate marketing, and if you're serious about affiliate marketing and making money from home, this is a training system that's built for you and is built for longevity. Real quick, just to cap this video off. So, part of what I assume is true. So who knows what would have happened if I actually filled out the other form. So I actually received 2 emails right away from me actually filling out my email address and my name. And this is what the first email actually said. So it says, "Hi Markel," personalized, seeing as though I put my name in that contact form, right? It says, "My name is Jose Giraldez," so I'm pronouncing your name correctly, hopefully, "the owner of Pick and Profit, and I would like to welcome you to Pick and Profit. I get this question all the time from new members, how to earn with Pick and Profit. The answer is very simple. Just share your Pick and Profit referral link. That's it. To earn any commissions with Pick and Profit, you simply need to advertise your Pick and Profit referral link available inside your back office. When you join Pick and Profit, you become a Pick 1 and it's free member, and you will earn up to 20 cents per email collected, plus up to $200 commissions for referring new members. But when you decide to order your free website, you will get an upgrade to Pick 100 blog/premium, and you get 5 to 9 capture pages for you to advertise, and you will earn up to $1.10 per email collected, $25 to $500 per lead, and up to $1,000 in commissions. All Pick 100 blog/premium will also get your autoresponder to access and email all your subscribers/referrals. Important note, we will create your website free of charge. You only need to pay for your web hosting from just $67 per year. Choose your web host package here. Let me know if you have questions or if you need assistance with anything. Best regards, Jose Giraldez, Pick and Profit. Okay, so I received the email from them, and this actually is something that I would have been looking for on the lead capture page itself, giving me information, further information as to what exactly I would have been doing. And I might have actually filled out more of the information to get started, seeing as though I would have known at that time what to do. But as you can see here, he's giving me the information, and here I know it's a link to actually log into the back office, or probably it's going to take me back to this registration page. And matter of fact, let me close this